Alright, quick video on how to change out your existing shower head when installing your new Ewater shower head. Super simple process. This is all you're going to need: your shower filter, a pair of pliers, and some plumber's tape. Take the pliers, unscrew your old shower head. Grab the plumber's tape and do 2 wraps around. Grab the shower filter. Can turn, sometimes it's easier to turn the whole unit all at once until it connects, and then you can just turn the metal part. Once you've got it hand tightened, grab the pliers, get a good grip, and give it a couple more good solid turns. You want it to be nice and tight. There's a washer inside there that needs to be compressed for proper fit. And typically, if you have any leaks coming from there, it means that you need to get that washer depressed more. So grab the pliers and tighten it further. And that is the installation part of this. Now what you'll do is you'll grab a bucket and put that over the shower head, turn the water on, and grab the carbon fines. Once that's done, you can empty that bucket down the drain and you are set to go.